talking about wallet share wars and what we do as actionable real-time purchase intent in the physical and digital world. So the problem is there are many ways to pay, which is great for the consumer, but for a bank or fintech, it might not be so. There are traditional banks, there are fintechs, mobile payment platforms, buy now, pay later, and as you can see today, there are more coming. To give us statistics, just in 2020, mega banks in the US lost about 18% of their customers, but digital banks grew almost threefold. What this means is that the battleground is not in the acquisition side, but on the wallet share side. So if you're a fintech or a bank, if your customer uses another payment method to make a payment, you're completely blind to what they're doing. You don't get the transaction data, you don't earn the interchange fee, and more importantly, you don't understand the customer to serve them better the next time around. Of course, there are offers and rewards for increasing activation and wallet share, but they're usually very generic, and the customer needs to go to a website or open an app to scroll through the offers. What's important here is that for personalization, you need data. And there are 4 important criteria needed to achieve business value. The first one is the data needs to be accurate. It needs to be timely. It needs to be actionable. And last, it needs to be scalable. At MallIQ, what we do is we help you understand the purchase intent of your customers in the physical world and make it insightful and actionable in real time. This allows you to better monetize your own customers, increase your activation, wallet share, frequency of usage, retention, upsell and cross-sell different products. We already work with global brands around the world, like FIS, WorldPay, BNP Paribas, HSBC, Samsung, and Starbucks. And we're aligned with global companies that already serve into the banking and fintech industries, like KPMG, Microsoft, and Veripark and FIS. And throughout our journey, we accumulated a lot of awards, client testimonials, and case studies. Our product is an easy-to-use campaign tool for your CRM and loan teams. There's a mobile SDK that easily integrates into your own banking or fintech app, customer journey analytics that allows you to understand the complete wallet share of your customers, which restaurants, which malls, which retailers they visit, even if they don't use your card. And the third one is where you can take action. A campaign dashboard where you can set scenarios and deliver relevant offers, personalized offers, at the right time and location before the customer makes a purchase, so you can increase your wallet share. In summary, we can deliver anonymous personalization at scale. We are a reliable, scalable, global service serving more than 12 million monthly active users and around 10 billion location calls a month. And we are co-founded by 2 PhD engineers that is experts in AI and indoor location tech, and that has 35 years of experience. And our team is global, from San Francisco to Toronto to Istanbul to Ankara and Izmir. What we help you to do is understand what your customers want to buy, when they're about to pay, and where they're shopping around. But getting this data is hard because GPS doesn't work where stores are close to each other on a multi-floor shopping venues or even downtown settings. And it's not feasible to place beacons or cameras or any hardware to all the stores your card might be accepted. So we have an indoor-outdoor location tech that is store-level accurate, but does not require any hardware. So it's infinitely more scalable than any other hardware-based solution. We convert the location data into actionable insights for you. And with the same permission from the user, what you could get before was the left-hand side, just a geofence. On the right-hand side, we can give the whole journey, visiting individual stores and understanding what's relevant for them today. And there are different granularities of how you can engage the customer at a mall level, at a store level, and they're inside the store about to make a payment. That's the right time to remind them about your app, about your card. We already do proximity marketing to almost 1 million stores globally without a single hardware. And we have pretty good coverage locally here as well. Our SDK easily integrates into your banking and fintech app in one day without any personal identifiable information at all. And in turn, your CRM gets first-party data that is 10 times more than the transaction data. This is true for starting up fintechs as well as mature companies and banks. And we have shown the results of delivering at the right time and location, increasing notification to click, notification to store visit, and what's important, notification to purchase. And we help all different departments within your organization, from loan to CRM to retail banking and digital products. We also have a merchant visitor analytics, where you can understand where your customers visit, and those who visit a particular store or category, where else did they go? Which other categories? Which other brands? Which other venues? And you can see that as a globally, in a city level, or even in more detail, so you can take action. So the second part, I'm going to make 2 announcements. The first one is about MallIQ. Since I've demonstrated that we went beyond shopping malls, now anywhere that a physical visit is an indication for a loan or payment need, we added a new brand to our portfolio, Location IQ, or in short, Lokatik. And secondly, we are thinking about the future. Not every purchase is physical, so we added online purchases as well. So you can understand the purchase intent of your customers in the digital world and make combinations and even be more personal. Here, a customer can simply input the cards they already own. It can be card specific or just the bank or the fintech name, without logging, without anything. And after that, they simply visit a shopping website. And when they do, as we'll see in a second, the offers that they're already eligible for pop up. They can see if they use this payment, they will get this benefit. It's not at the end of the shopping journey, at the payment side, it's at the beginning. So it gives more leads to your payments. And lastly, looking at glimpsing into the future. So somebody's searching online, finding a favorite sneaker, a colorful one. And then they put it in their basket, but maybe they forget about it. It's abandoned. But after a few days, maybe they're visiting a shopping venue. They're going to a sports goods store. And then they might be reminded at the right time about those shoes they forgot in the basket. So imagine the possibilities when you combine online and offline seamlessly. Lastly, what we do to summarize is we are empowering you to understand your customers' physical and digital purchase intent before their purchase, so you can do data-driven offer curation, real-time personalized engagement, so you can increase your wallet share and win the wallet share wars. So we are MallIQ and Location IQ, and thanks for listening.